Okay, let me just get rid of this for a minute. I'm doing here, there's a problem with the shower. They did a renovation about 6 months ago, but it did a crap job, and it's leaking all over the place. You'll see in a minute. This thing was connected horribly. Holy shit. What a piece of crap. Yeah, so as you can see, just on the border with the wall as well, I'm checking to...
This is against smells going into the
I'm checking to see if there's an odor barrier just here. So if there is, I don't have to do a new odor barrier, which lets gases come from the drain into the shower if it's not there. Has to be done. So there is one, so it's not necessary here, and we're just gonna start breaking up the tiles. What I have to do is break up all these tiles, and I'm gonna put a normal round drain, because what there is just not it. And these guys, they paid lots of money to do the renovations, and now they have to do all this. Yeah, we'll see how it goes anyways. As you can see on the wall, there is where it was just broke. Yeah, IKEA. There is space between the tiles and the wall. It should be level, but the guy that tiled here probably just, I guess he doesn't know what he's doing. So I'm taking it all out now. I'll let you see. Just want to let you know that there is a Patreon if you want to support my channel. The link is on the bottom of the description, and also have some links for the tools I use personally, if you want to get them yourself. So it's also there. Just little stuff. Yeah. All right, back to it. Okay, I'm taking the drain out now, and I'm gonna prepare a new connection for the drain. Just unbelievable sometimes when you see people doing what they're doing, and they're doing it so wrong. I know this. Okay, I'm working here in Israel, and we have different rules than in the US and Europe, and our regulations are different. We work different, but still there are some basic things you have to do when you do a shower pan. Okay, you're gonna see some oops. Yeah. Okay, you see, I don't have tiles to change on the walls because the owners of the house don't have them and they didn't want them. So sadly this can happen. It broke and there's not much I can do about it. So we're gonna grout it later on and try to make it go away as much as we can. Okay, sexy here. Don't get too excited. This is not this kind of movie. Yeah, slow-mo. Okay, once we finish cleaning up and breaking everything, I'm gonna prepare the drain before the waterproofing. I'm just clearing everything to the PVC pipe where I'm going to connect the drain to, and now I'm measuring. Well, Not much to say here. And it should be in the middle. Hopefully it will be. But it's gonna be nice anyway, so we'll see in the end. See, very, very professional measuring here. A little TikTok on the way. I'm gonna leave a link for the TikTok channel as well if you'd like. They're shorts and they're sometimes funny, sometimes nice. I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, you see the little PVC break there. It doesn't matter because I did shorten it a bit more later. So what you will see in a minute is the drain itself, which is deep. There it is. It's deeper than the floor, so this is why I'm breaking the cement there, because I want to make it level and lower than about 2 centimeters below the floor tiles. By the way, if you're wondering, there are fish here in the back. It's just the lights are off. I'm gonna turn them on. See, little fishies. They're happy. It's just they like the dark for now. Okay, now we're finished. I think we're finished breaking the cement, and you see I'm checking how how much it is under the floor. Not enough, as it seems. Gotta clean up before the cement back. I don't know why it was slow motion, but okay, we're connecting the drain now. I'm checking the measurements. And we're gonna cement it all back together, close it up before the waterproofing of the whole shower pan.
Just wanted to mention that
Yeah,
thanks
you
to
can
all of
see
you guys, I
checking
reached 10,000
to see
members
how much
for
lower
my
it is than
channel,
the
and now I
floor.
have a membership
Around
option.
it,
So
because
if you're
that's
interested,
the-
just hit the join button at
I
the
didn't want
bottom.
it to go down the
And,
drain.
well, enjoy the rest of the video.
And this is probably my most loved tool of all tools I have. Again, link is at the bottom. Okay, I'm just covering the whole thing back and leveling with the cement that's already there. And then you're gonna see I'm gonna do cement around the whole shower pan. And that is because I'm actually making kind of a tub around the drain, which is all lower than the bathroom floor. And this way, if in a, I don't know, in a few years there is some breakage of the grout and water leaks under the tiles, it can only go back into the drain and it can't go about outside the shower pan. You'll see it in a minute. And then the waterproofing. There's a seam going around now, the whole thing. Okay, now we're gonna let it dry 24 hours, and then now that it's dry, yeah, better clean up. Gotta try to be clean. By the way, if you think you're gonna do a renovation by yourself and it's gonna be clean, you're not. Renovations aren't a clean job. By the way, this is the waterproof I use. It's Sika Top 107. Great stuff. Back to the cleaning. Renovations is not a clean job, and you always see in the video that everything is clean and everything. It's just for the video. It's hard to do renovations and keep everything clean. So I'm putting here the first layer of Sika, and as you see, I'm spreading it all around up to the floor area. There's gonna be 2 layers of this material. I'm just showing one of them, and then we're going to be tiling the whole thing. As you see, I painted the drain as well, so no water goes under between the drain and the tiles. Again, we're gonna clean up the Sika because it's really hard to get off after when it dries up. Alright, dried up. I put some pea gravel before the tiling, and now we're gonna tile. That's the fun part. We're doing the top part is gonna be level with the floor. Sorry, top part is gonna be level with the floor, and then the drain is gonna be about 80 by 80 centimeters. You'll see it in a minute. So this is level with the floor. Again, this is tiling as it's supposed to be done in Israel. Of course, you have to leave space for the grout, at least 2 to 3 millimeters, because if not, it doesn't catch up. It doesn't stay. It breaks up. As you can see, this is large format tiles, and the tiling is different. And this is how it's done in Israel. So I don't know, support Israel. It's not that kind of channel. Do whatever you like. Okay, now we're done tiling. The drain cover itself, I'm gonna use silicone to connect it to the drain, so there's no leaking of water between them. I think it came out pretty good. All it's now is let it dry a bit, and then we can do the grouting and wait 24 hours and take a shower. Yeah, that's nice. Good job. See, no silicone. That's it. No, nothing. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in a minute. The end product. And if you did, just give me a thumbs up. Comment, guys, and maybe share if you like it. And see you soon in the next video.